Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share my altered playing card for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations. This week's card, and I have it in this container that I that I got from Walmart, and I am housing them in here. So this week's card, I'm using a regular playing card, and I covered the card in exposing the playing card part, and I just took some scrap paper from my stash. It's like almost like a cartoon, what do you call those? Um, oh my gosh, comic book paper that I had in my stash, and I had a remnants of it, so I layered it up. I inked the edges with a black soot, and then I added some, this is like floral trim that I had in my stash, and then I added some bling to it. So I didn't want to really cover up the paper because I love Mickey and Minnie. And then this is Donald. He I kind of ripped his body off, but and then here's Mickey again. So it's like a comic strip paper, and I just loved it and thought I would use it on my card. I'm using scraps, um, and it's just lots of fun. So I want to thank Penny for this wonderful collaboration. Go check out everybody's altered cards. Click on the hashtag, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.